If you're concerned that you won't be able to remember how to do all the different tasks in Gradelink, such as running report cards, running progress reports, or starting the next quarter, we've got you covered. There's a free service called Proactive Support. Proactive Support sends you an email 1 week before you need it that tells you exactly what to do. To get started, click the link in the description, choose what you want to be reminded about, and 1 week before that task is due, you will receive an email with exact step-by-step instructions and a video. You can unsubscribe at any time if you don't want to be reminded anymore. Stay ahead of the game with Proactive Support.